build, but you have to first look out for these very key levels. And a big part of that is to understand the intraday algorithms, because there are very few algorithms here, very key ones. I want to talk about that. And the first one was this orange and magenta. Just take a look. This was at 10:06. 10:06 was here. 10:06 a.m. Just see it for yourself, the timestamp. And this was important because once you're able to identify the magenta right there, this becomes very straightforward. Just take a look for yourself. Penny perfect orange once we identified it, and building the liquidity on the way down, giving us that beautiful, beautiful move all the way down there. And this is very important because in the 30-minute chart, this was also a very important move. Magenta. So you got to be very, very patient. Wait for structure, trader structure demands right there. And thereafter, you see how magenta continued to hold, build liquidity here. So this becomes quite important. I want to talk a little bit about that. Look at that, how penny perfect that is. And also here, penny perfect. This is important, right? And we identified this wedge here. I told you about this. So this is quite important as well. You see how we started wedging near to end of day. So these are very important clues I want you to pay close attention to before we carry on for tomorrow. So where do we go from